Hello to everybody, FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers. For the date of 14 August 2018, we start our everyday view of trading of major currencies in the world financial markets. At the moment, of course, theme number one discussing among foreign exchange traders is Turkish financial crisis and its impact on the banking industry of the Eurozone. As we told already during our past analysis, probably the market exaggerated a little bit its view regarding the impact of Turkish crisis on the economy of the Eurozone, and from that point of view the stabilization and rebound we witnessed during previous trading day was more or less logical, let's say so. At the moment the question is still open, what is next, and how to react in a future deepening of the financial crisis in Turkey. We suggest at the moment that the market should sooner or later should stabilize, and already we see the readiness of the Turkish authorities to do some kind of efforts as to calm down the financial crisis. We suggest that during next couple of days, probably this couple of days should be decisive for the Turkish authorities in case of if they really do something significant. And we already saw the readiness of Turkish authorities, for example, to release the United States prisoner, the pastor who's still present in Turkey. All in all, that should bode well for the risk sentiment in the financial markets at the moment, and we suggest that during the course of this week the market should stabilize around current levels, and such kind of currencies which is really very sensitive to risk aversion sentiment, like for example Euro Yen and Euro Swiss, as well as some other Japanese Yen crosses and Swiss franc crosses, should rebound from local levels. This is our principal idea at the moment, and that's why we still keep our long trade recommendation in the Euro Dollar, in the Euro Swiss, and also in the Euro Yen. As regarding the Euro Yen, we slightly tightened our stop loss level to a stop profit level. Now we are ready to close existing position in case of breaking below 125.85 in the Euro Yen. At the same time, we are ready to rebuy the pair on a possible dip to 123.80, 124.80. Let's see the chart of the Euro Yen, which is probably one of the most active kind of currency pair at the moment. As you could see in the daily chart, the 50% retracement barrier based on the surge of the Euro Yen from the lows of June 2016 to the highs of February 2018, the 50% retracement, FIBA retracement, located around 123.50 level. While above that level, we still suggest that Euro Yen still has a potential to rebound, and another down move to the lows of 2018, located around 124.62, we will use as buying opportunity. That's why we will use a possible undershooting of the level of 124.80 to buy a fast hover position. With another one, we are ready to buy at 123.80. We in this case we will put a stop loss below 123.50, the aforementioned 50% FIBA level. As regarding the euro sterling is more or less stable at the moment, and the euro Swiss probably is next pair which is really interesting. And here as well we still keep our long trade recommendation accumulated yesterday at the lows of 112.95. Anyway, of course, the chart is looking extremely bearish at the moment, and from that point of view probably the pair is ripe to test important support barrier at 112.60, 112. And break below this level should put the euro Swiss under increasing downside pressure. As regarding the major currencies, we still also keep our long trade recommendation in the euro dollar. We suggest that, taking into account exaggeration of the market regarding the impact of the Turkish financial crisis on banking system of the European Union, we suggest that the euro dollar will remain around current levels, and probably during the course of the week will try to rise above critically important barrier of 115, the former support and now strong resistance. We also should acknowledge that kind of short-term downtrend in the pair located around 115.75, and while below that level the euro dollar should remain a victim of downside pressure. The dollar yen, here we are ready to sell the currency on a possible retest of immediately bearish downtrend line located at 111.10. At the same time, we will be ready to sell the dollar yen on a possible move below 109.94, where lies moving average 200 daily line. But again, we could see a real closing below that line also in case of further deepening of financial crisis in Turkey. As regarding the sterling is looking extremely stable at the moment, but overall should remain under the downside pressure while trading below 130.10, where lies 2018 downtrend line. And also the dollar Swiss, as you could see, looking extremely stable at the moment, because from one point of view the pair should remain supported because of attractiveness of the dollar at the moment, from all kind of views, let's say so, from fundamental as well as from technical. At the same time, the pair should remain under downside pressure, down pressured because of current risk aversion situation associated with financial crisis in Turkey. Thank you very much, our readers. We are open to discuss any kind of your suggestion and to answer any kind of your questions regarding our further presentations. FutureTrend channel was with you, and we hope that tomorrow morning you will be again with us. Bye bye for now.